a dancing robot. Dancing robot is made up of battery, switch, motor and ice cream sticks. Now I will tell you how it works.
Today we are doing robotic activity. This is art robot. It is made with markers, battery, charger that creates art as it moves. An art board is used to make designs on paper. Let me show how it works. So today we have made a buzz wire game. In this game we have cardboard, glue, tape and wires.
So, in this game, we have switch, buzzer, battery, thick wire and a thin wire. So, the procedure of this game that we are not supposed to touch this thick wire to this thick wire. If we touch it, so we're automatically eliminated from this game.
Today we are doing robotic activity. In this project we have a security alarm system. In this project we use battery, breadboard, ultrasonic sensor and buzzer and Arduino. Today is our robotics class. We make this game in Scratch. Let me show you.
We need to go in events, we need to select this when clicked. Now we need to go in variables, we need to select this set and select with score. Now we need to go in controls and select forever and ifs.